All right. Good morning, you guys. Today we took two trades. Uh, Lost one and won once. Made 500 on the day though. Um, I warned you guys what happened. So coming into market open, we swept these lows, but then swept I guess this high right here. And I didn't know which way market wanted to go. I wanted to see it come down to this low. And so with this big down candle and then another one, I entered off this wick that immediately got stopped out. Um, not that was 110% my fault. You guys know I wait for a fair value gap. I didn't stick to my rules there. I was honestly getting greedy. And so then we saw market break above this high, wick above this, come down, fill this fair value gap. I didn't want to enter long on this yet. I wanted to see more confirmation that we wanted to go up, which I knew was going to happen anyway because we had all this buy side liquidity. And so let this wick. We broke structure to the upside. And then this is where it kind of got tricky. I was waiting for just at least one entry to just kind of one entry to kind of get in. And I got it with this little 15-second. Ooh. Sorry. This is in the wrong spot. Got it with this 15-second gap. It filled in right here. And I knew that was gonna be like my only entry. And then we ended up riding it up to these highs with the break even in our first take profit, I believe, at these highs. And so then when I'm managing my trades, I look for these fair value gaps and I want them to respect it. So right here, this was a minute. And I was making sure market was respecting off that. I got out right here, unfortunately. I wanted to hold longer, but at the same time, I didn't know how much higher we were going to go. As you guys can see, I mean, it's only been up from here. Here's another example of my strategy to show you guys like kind of how it works. I wouldn't have taken this trade personally because we were just so high up. We needed to sweep something, some sort of low. I guess we sweep this one, but then respect this fair value gap and just shoot up about 40 points. So I'll show you guys my stats here in a second, but let's get back to this trade. But yeah, final TP at this high. We were down 250 before, so this was a $750 trade. Put us back up 500. We're now at 1,700 on the account. My bad. 1,700 on the account. Let's come over here. As you guys can see, we have an 85% win rate. 2 losses, 12 wins. And I don't remember having a down day on this account, a losing day on this account, so I don't know what that is. But up 1,700. We made 540 on Monday. Yesterday we made 650, and today we made 500. And so tomorrow we should be trading unless I don't like how the market's moving. We'll see. This is all pre-market. These ones. Realistically, I should be done trading by 7. If I do trade, I'll be done before that red news. So if market isn't moving due to news, I'll probably just not trade. And then Friday, got some pre-market red news. And then PAL at 8:30. So Friday might be a no trade day. We'll see what happens though, but yeah, I'm feeling great on this account. I do have some questions. I don't know if any of you guys know, but I'm a little confused on payouts. So say I get to 3,000. If I take 1,000 out, I still have a $2,000 buffer. But if I take 1,500 out, I only have a $1,500 buffer. I don't know if any of you guys know, but I think that's how it works. So I'm a little confused on that right now, but yeah. Um, anyways, great day today. Great day today, though. Um, me and my friend both caught this trade. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.